My name is Hervé Caumont. I am program manager at Terradoué. I am in charge of research and development activities and in charge of technology innovation for our product line. We are supporting our consumers, scientists, earth science researchers to deploy their applications on grid and cloud computing platforms. About 15% of our income is spent on consuming cloud computing resources, and it's growing. We started this business in 2009, and still today it is mainly using US-based cloud computing facilities. So we expect that by developing a European cloud computing capacity, we will be able to grow our business and have more data, science data, for larger multidisciplinary science.